Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if this is your very first time here, please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel, I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course my main wig reviews. So if you like what you see by the end of this video, make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get reminders every time I post a video. And if you have been on my channel before but you haven't subscribed yet, what are you doing? It's free to support. Hit that subscribe button and we gonna be right back. So today we are reviewing another Outre unit. So thank you Outre for kindly sending me this unit. This is from the Melted Hairline collection. It's the lace front wig, the frontal effect hairline, no plucking required. It's in the style ELORA and I got it in the color DRFF2/sugar brown, and this is what the front of the card looks like. And this is what the middle of the stock card looks like. It does come in a bunch of specialty colors. And here are some of the colors on the back. And yes, I wanted to try something different. If you have been on my channel, you know how I feel about colors. But I've been doing it pretty good this year. I've been playing a lot with the chocolates, the reds, the browns. So yeah, I wanted to try a blonde wig. And I copied off the model in the stock card, and I do like the color. I really do. Sometimes I just get skeptical because I'm like, what should I wear with this color? You know, it's always easy to have a chocolate or brown or 1B because you can wear it with anything. So I hope I paired it pretty well. So this unit has a deluxe wide lace part. It's a 2x5 soft HD transparent lace, so be careful when cutting. It has a pre-plucked hairline and sideburns, attached wide elastic band for a secure fit, redesigned comfort fit air contour, and salon style, salon inspired colors. So this unit does come with baby hairs, but I didn't use them. I also didn't glue this wig down. I just didn't feel like it, you guys. If you've been on my channel before, you know I don't really like gluing down synthetic wigs, but this is what the unit looks like. It is ear to ear. There you go. It is ear to ear. And it does, you know, I feel like I did a pretty good job blending it in with my skin complexion. I used my Even lace tint in the color medium brown. And I sprayed the unit on, and I sprayed the tint on the lace, and all I did was cut the lace and I put it on, and I feel like it's blending in. I didn't have to lay down no baby hairs, no nothing. This wig is secure because there is an elastic band back there. But yeah, it was a plop and go for me, and you guys know I love me some plop and goes, okay? Also, everything that I use in the video is in the description box below, so make sure you guys hit that little arrow button and it will come down and you can see it. But I will say the cap size is big head friendly. It does have 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, adjustable straps back there as well. I use the elastic band because it makes it a secure, tighter fit for me, and I really, really do like that. I do think it's a nice length, and I am enjoying this color. Sometimes I get a little bit nervous with color because sometimes color does look a tad dry, especially the lighter colored units. I will say it's just like, it's like on the verge of giving me dry vibes, but not a lot, just a little. So I think like a quick little spray of oil sheen would make this unit perfect. Other than that, I'm loving the length. I'm loving the curl pattern. I do like the color. And I do like the face frame as well. Although this part is giving me some trouble. I've been messing around with this thing for a minute. So yeah, I do like the little curls in here. So the price for this unit ranges in the $40 price range. I will list the Google link below for a few different websites that are selling this unit. It is brand new as of right now. Wig Types is the only one selling it, but I'm pretty sure by the end of the week there will be a few other places that are selling it. So I do have a Google link listed below. But I hope you guys enjoy this super quick, easy, fun video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. And I will see you guys next time. Namaste.